Hi, welcome to Module 5, Interests. This week you're going to be taking a really great assessment. It's called the Strong Interest Inventory Assessment. It's actually what the materials fee for this class pays for. So it is a paid assessment, and I think for a lot of students, it's what you've been waiting for when you enrolled in this class. It will actually give you a list of potential careers, your top 10 careers related to your results. So sometimes students really want something tangible, and this is where it's at. So we're going to talk about the results during the week as we go through. Each of you, upon taking the assessment, will receive a 27-page report all about you. So it includes things like your top 10 careers, of course. It also includes your work style, your leadership style, all kinds of really valuable information. So this is a really great tool for you to, again, start to explore some of those careers. Within the actual report that you get, it will be a PDF document that I email to you, and you want to save it. I would save that PDF somewhere on your computer so that you can return to it later, even after completing the class, to continue the research. There will be live links that will take you right to ONET, the tool that we used a couple weeks ago, to help you continue exploring, and it will give you some next steps. So this is a really important week. Again, it's what some of you have been waiting for, this tangible list. Of course, the list is not exhaustive, but it will get you a good starting point again to continue some of that research. So if you're having any problems or concerns, questions, feel free to shoot me an email through the Canvas inbox. It's been really fun so far, so let's keep the momentum going and get through this week.